Looking to break into the world of print-on-demand t-shirts? Whether you're a beginner or you've been struggling to get sales, this video will show you how to create pod t-shirts that sell quickly. From choosing the right niche to designing irresistible shirts and marketing them like a pro, this is your ultimate guide to launching a successful pod business. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking all about print-on-demand t-shirts and how to create designs that actually sell. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every step of the process, from finding hot-selling niches to creating eye-catching designs to marketing strategies that work. And stick around until the end for some expert tips that will help you scale your pod business fast. Let's get started. So, what exactly is print-on-demand? Pod is a business model where you create a design, upload it to a pod platform like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring, and when someone orders your t-shirt, the platform prints it, ships it, and you get paid. You don't need to hold any inventory or worry about production. It's all handled for you. T-shirts are one of the most popular and profitable pod products because they're universally loved and easy to customize. People are always looking for unique, trendy, and statement-making shirts. But here's the catch. You need to create designs that not only look great, but also speak to your target audience. And that brings us to the first step, finding your niche. The most important part of selling pod t-shirts is finding a profitable niche. You don't want to create generic designs that get lost in a sea of competition. Instead, focus on specific niches that people are passionate about, where you can stand out and build a dedicated customer base. Use tools like Google Trends, Etsy, and Amazon to research trending topics and subcultures. Look for niches with high demand but low competition. For example, instead of targeting a broad niche like fitness, go deeper and explore sub-niches like yoga for moms or funny gym quotes for weightlifters. Some hot-selling niches in 2024 include media, compilation of various t-shirt designs featuring different themes, people wearing t-shirts with diverse niche designs. Pet lovers, people are crazy about their pets, and designs featuring dogs, cats, and even reptiles tend to sell well. Fitness and sports, think funny gym quotes, motivational designs, and workout-focused tees. Pop culture, tap into current trends, memes, or nostalgic references to movies, TV shows, and video games. Social causes, t-shirts with messages supporting mental health awareness, environmentalism, or equality are very popular, especially if they resonate with people's values. Once you've found your niche, it's time to design your t-shirts. But how do you create designs that customers can't resist? The key to creating winning t-shirt designs is a mix of creativity, relevance, and simplicity. You don't need to be a professional designer to succeed in pod. Tools like Canva and Placeit offer tons of templates and easy-to-use features that can help you create professional-looking designs in minutes. Let's break down some important design tips. Keep it simple. Clean, bold designs with minimal text or a single graphic tend to work best. Overly complex designs can be hard to read, especially from a distance, so stick with something visually striking. Use high-quality graphics. Low-resolution images or blurry graphics can turn customers off. Use high-quality vectors, illustrations, and fonts to ensure your design looks professional. Color combinations matter. Think about how your design will look on different colored t-shirts. Use contrasting colors to make your design pop, but avoid clashing tones. If you're unsure, create mock-ups to see how it looks on different backgrounds. Incorporate trends, but don't copy. Trends can be your best friend if you're smart about it. For instance, if you notice a viral meme or trending phrase, put your own spin on it and make sure it's unique to your brand. Remember, originality is key. But what if you're not confident in your design skills? Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to get high-quality designs without creating them yourself. You can hire freelance designers on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even use design services like 99 Designs. Another option is to buy ready-made designs from sites like Creative Market, where you can find t-shirt designs that are ready to upload to your pod platform. Just be sure to check the licensing and usage rights. Once your designs are ready, it's time to upload them to a pod platform. There are several print-on-demand platforms to choose from, and each one has its pros and cons. Here's a quick breakdown of the most popular POD platforms. Printful, great for quality control and integration with your own online store, but you'll need to handle your own marketing. Teespring, a solid option if you want an all-in-one platform with built-in marketing tools and no upfront costs. Redbubble, ideal for artists looking to sell across multiple product types, but competition is high, so standing out can be a challenge. Merch by Amazon, one of the best for getting visibility due to Amazon's massive customer base, but you'll need to apply and get approved. When choosing a platform, consider the profit margins, ease of use, and where your target audience shops. Also, don't limit yourself to just one platform. The more places you list your designs, the more chances you have to make a sale. Pricing your t-shirts correctly is crucial. You want to make sure you're earning a profit while staying competitive. Most POD platforms will charge a base price for the t-shirt, which covers printing and shipping. Your job is to set a retail price that leaves you with a reasonable profit margin. For example, if the base cost of a shirt is $12, you might price it at $22 to leave room for marketing expenses and profit. Just make sure your pricing is in line with similar designs in your niche. Now that your t-shirts are live, the next step is to market them effectively. Just uploading a design and hoping for sales won't cut it. You need to actively promote your products. Here are a few marketing strategies that can help you boost sales. Instagram and TikTok. Post your designs on social media using lifestyle mock-ups. Use hashtags like #fashion, #graphic tees, and #t-shirt design to reach potential buyers. Short, engaging videos on TikTok can go viral quickly. Facebook ads. Facebook's targeting features allow you to reach specific demographics, making it great for testing out different audiences for your t-shirts. Pinterest. If your designs cater to women, Pinterest is a goldmine. Create attractive pins linking to your pod store with lifestyle photos of your t-shirts. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers or micro-influencers in your niche to showcase your designs. People are more likely to buy when they see someone they trust wearing your shirt. Once you start making consistent sales, it's time to think about scaling. Here are a few tips to grow your pod t-shirt business. Expand your product line. Don't just stick to t-shirts. Add hoodies, hats, tote bags, and other items featuring your designs. Offer limited edition drops. Creating a sense of urgency with limited edition designs can drive quick sales. Optimize your SEO. Make sure your product titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized with keywords that your audience is searching for. This will help you rank higher on search engines and POD platforms. There you have it, your complete guide to creating print-on-demand t-shirts that sell quickly. From finding your niche and designing eye-catching shirts to marketing and scaling your business, you now have all the tools you need to succeed in the POD world. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your pod journey.